Okay, so guys, to be honest with you, I am not really a fan of the Hot Wheels tuned series. But for this Diora, I'm making an exception. So I'm grabbing these two. But first, let's take a look at this Diora tuned. It looks so cute. So this is the first time that had been attracted with the tuned version of Hot Wheels. And we are currently at the Evergotesco Mall looking for irresistibles, and then I found out that they have the Aura 2 na tuned version. So we're taking this to home, see how it goes. And so yeah, we took this the Aura. It looks so beautiful. I love the vibrant blue color. And this came from the tuned series. Look at the details. It looks so cute. So pretty now. This baby Diora 2 is meeting its daddy, the OG Diora 2, which is one of my favorite design on Hot Wheels. So there you go. He finally meets his dad. They look good together. And speaking of the Aura, here's another version of the Aura 2 which I don't really like. This is one of the recent version compared to the original. The surfboards are moving and it has a chrome mechanism at the back. This is the original, the Aura 2. And this looks way better than the latest release of the Diora. As you can see, the surfboard are not moving and there's no chrome part at the back. So if you compare them side by side, it's no contest. But for this cute tuned version of the Aura 2, uh, it's really a tough choice. So these are my Dioras. I obviously I don't have the Diora one. It's way too expensive in my pocket.